There's an optional accessory foot box that you can purchase for the Pfaff Admire Air 5000 Serger. And I just want to walk through some of the things that it will contain. It does come with a gathering foot. Now, I do like a gathering foot because you can gather one piece of fabric while serging it to a fabric that is not gathered. Usually you will be able to use a nice cotton fabric, medium weight fabric. Now, we're not talking home deck fabrics, but anything medium weight, yeah, that could even be up to a linen fabric, down to anything sheer, will gather beautifully on the serger. There's also a gathering foot attachment. There is also a blind hem foot, as well as an elastic gathering attachment. That would assist for sewing in elastic, like I did by hand here, but what it'll do is keep a consistent stretched pressure for the same stretchability on the edge of the seam. So as you start and stop and you adjust where your fabric's going in, the elastic is going to be stretched perfectly to the same distance all the way around your seam. And then the last piece that comes in the box set is a cloth guide. So a little guide that will fit right here to help you kind of keep a nice even seam allowance while you serge. So visit your Pfaff retailer to check out the accessories available for this machine.